Welcome to the Headteacher CCCU Assembly. It's the week of the 29th of March. I am so incredibly proud of you because we have got back to school and we've made it to the end of the spring term. Another few days. Grange CC way. We are confident for ourselves, want the best for ourselves. We are considerate. We care about everybody around us, the world around us. And can you see this picture frame? And inside the word says you. And underneath the word says leadership. Because people think about leaders as people who lead a whole organization, maybe a head teacher or a prime minister or a CEO, the boss of the company. But I tell you what leadership actually is being the boss of yourself, being a leader of yourself, about taking control and making great choices for yourself. Remember what we always say, good listening, kind words, great actions. Let's do that again. Good listening, kind words, great actions, confidence and consideration. So this week I wanted to choose a Grange pupil of power. Last week we spoke about hope, and that's always wanting and believing that good things will come and aiming for them. And I think somebody who really lives like that, a Grange pupil of power, is Aliyah in Greta Thunberg class. Brilliant work, Aliyah. You're always so positive and you always aim to do your best. Proud of you. That was hope last week. Do you remember it? Even if the concrete cracks, a little flower can grow in it. So always aim to do really well. You are the bounce back kids. You know that kindness is strength. And we have our CC way at Grange. On Tuesday night, the 30th of March, is the Great Grange Family Quiz. Please tell your parents, sign up for the quiz, sign up for the quiz. If you've got any questions, ask your teacher. You know how to do it. You go on letslocalize.co.uk and you sign up. Who are our Grange stars of the week? Well, bouncing in is Ashby and Sophia O and Josiah and Hala and Anais, and Sophia D, and Shema, and Ada, and Umika, and Aliyah R, and Adera. Proud of you. And some more bouncing in is Amira, and Antonia, and Jinan, and Baran. Well done, everybody. Class champions, Aliyah R, and Shema, and Mariglena, and Yoaz, and Janan, and Yosef A. Well done. And Arham. Well done, class champions. So who's my classy classes? Alan Turing class with 177 points. Olada Quaino class, 241 points. But the swivel goes to Greta Thunberg class with 539 points. We've had Freddie. We've had the reindeers. The pot plants are coming. I just don't want to buy them before the April Easter break. So we'll get them after the Easter break for the classy class of last term. But who is going to be the class? Because we'll find out this week for spring 2. And you're going to get to do messy paint handprints on the wall in the service road. So let's have a look and see who that is. Look out for this week, the quiz, and who's going to be the classy class. So let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the week ahead. Let's be safe and happy. Remember, leadership isn't about leading other people. It's about being the boss of yourself and making great choices for you and for everybody around you. Confidence and consideration. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.